Welcome back to a new video. Today we have a new upload including the WJ and the ZJ. But before we do that, I want to take a brief second and look back at what this channel is about, what's the WJ, where we've been, and then where we're going next. And as you know, we've put the 37s on here. So these are 37 by 12.5, 17 Cooper STT Pros on Rubicon wheels. And we got the factory bumper as well. So I've cut a little bit more, but today we're gonna be cutting even more.
All we have is 3 suspects wearing scarves over their faces.
video. So it is finally fall, and we've got the WJ out here in the Ozarks. Just running a few trails today, making sure everything is good. I don't drive this as much. I actually got a different car to use as a daily as well as this. So I haven't had it out in the trails. Took the sway bar disconnects off, aired down the tires a little bit. We've also got the ZJ, which we got the bumper finally color match painted. So as you can see, we got the bumper painted color matched. I've had this paint for a little while, but never used a paint gun, so not really sure. The compressor did die on me, and it started splattering everywhere, so I got the truck compressor and finished it up. But after having the truck compressor, I realized that I could probably paint anything. So much easier when you have air pressure, I'll tell you that. Color match, we have the Goliath off-road bumper. I've got the 5.9 grill. This is a 5.9 Jeep. Bought this with the broken part here, so I'm gonna get some kind of flag or maybe Overlanding Ozarks type fabric, something maybe cover that unique. For now, we'll leave it though. Big thanks to Open Road for sending over this winch. I think this is a 12,000 pound, 13,000 pound winch. Oh yeah, 13,000 pound. Let's see. So same one as we have on the WJ. Looks like they sent over a black Fairlead, which is nice because last time the red one just faded completely. So we're gonna go ahead and get this on. That's a really big remote. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get this onto the ZJ and check in after. This is my 2003 Grand Cherokee. It's got the 6.5 inch IRO long arms front and rear. We've got Bilsteins on it, 37 Coopers on Rubicon JL wheels or JK wheels, hidden winch from HK off-road, sliders I built, working on building the back bumper still. We've got the tent on the factory rack with some crossbars I've mounted. We have the 242 transfer case in it that I swapped out. It is a 4.7 V8. I've got about 250,000 miles on it. Running great. We did blow the trans in Colorado running the hill and had to trailer back on the U-Haul. So I ordered a used transmission, swapped that in, and it's like it never happened. So it's been really good, and I can't wait to get out this fall. It's now finally camping season, and the weather's cooling down. So we've had a lot of big changes this year. I actually just got married this last month. I'll put a little bit of footage right here to show you guys. I got to marry my amazing wife, been dating for about 5 years now, and I own a videography business. So we do wedding photo and video, and that's where a lot of my time goes during the summer. But now with fall, I've got a team that can handle some of the weddings, and we're getting back to the content. You can expect a new video every single week, and we're going camping with the WJ next weekend. Fall colors should be changing here in Arkansas, so it's going to be really cool drone footage and just footage in general. I do, after this shakedown that we did, I was on the trail for 15-20 minutes is all I had time before I went to another shoot. I realized that I probably need to get limiting straps, so those are on the way, and we will be installing those before this next weekend's trip. But make sure you subscribe. We've got a lot of new videos coming every single week, so look forward to seeing the next one.